Hello Market Club members everywhere, Adam Hewison here coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. We're going to start off with gold. Gold's actually been on a little bit of a run this morning in early morning trading both in Europe and here in the States. But we also had a buy signal. You can see that with a daily trade triangle here on the 10th of August, which is today, at 1,349.40. We're currently trading at 1,354.19 on the spot market. Now, key level here is going to be a close, I would say, if we can see this market close over, let's say, 1364, that would be a very positive close, and I think it would actually change this direction in terms of the general trend. The general trend is obviously very much on the upside with a plus 100 score, but you can see this sort of rhythm we're having. If we move over this level right here, and that's I think we said the 1364, so over 1364 on a close, that would set this market up actually, in our opinion, to probably take on the 1400, 1420 level on the upside. I think that's where we're looking for this market to go. We're very bullish on gold. We have been for quite some time. Look at how it found support at the 50 line. We pointed that out before. It's popped back up. So watch this market very carefully. We may see a very good close this week in gold. Certainly watch it on Friday for sure, but also watch it today. And as I say, we did have a signal to buy right here, and that's also confirmed here at 1,349.40. So check gold out. We think it's going to go higher. As you know, we've been very positive on the gold stocks, and Newmont Mining was one of the stocks we've been positive on. The major trend turned at $20.46, so that's some time ago, but look, it's just continuing to go up. 35.75 was our last buy signal here, and we're currently trading at 44.99. Looks like it wants to go higher. The other stock we're looking at is Barrick, and that's doing very well also. Look at where it stopped on the 50 line right down here, which is a very good sign. I would say if we can get this market over a close over 2270. We're currently trading in the free market right now at 2215, so it's going to be a little bit of a stretch to get that today, but certainly over the 2270, then I think we're on our way to $30 in this stock. So let's see how that plays out. Okay, this is the September crude oil market, and we want to share this with you. You can see that we had a cover short positions here on the 4th of August at 41.88. That took a nice profit out of the market, but generally speaking, we think the trend is still down, but we may see more of a pop. Now, what we're looking for right now is if we see this market close over 43.52, that would be a very positive sign. Of course, it's a ways away from, it's about $1 away from that now, but if we were to see it close over there, it would also take the RSI over 50, which is a good sign. So we're looking at the RSI, which is right down here. So you can see the line, the resistance right here. That's the 50 line. If we close over that, then I think you've got a good enough shot to push this market back up to maybe the 47, even possibly the 48 level on the upside. So a nice short-term profit. Once the first day it closes over 50, buy it, I think you're going to see a nice quick pop, but not for long term. What's a better bet, in our opinion, is this, and that's the stock of Kinder Morgan. We basically like this stock. The trend is positive in all of these things. This stock can go higher. We're looking for it to go to over the 30 level. But the thing to look at today is this, is if we see a market close over $21, currently we're trading around the 2068.70 level right now in the pre-market, but if we close this market over $21 today, it's a very good sign, because one thing you can see is not only do you have all the trade triangles that are moving higher, which is very good, which is right here. They're all positive on the upside. You also have your RSI over the 50 line, which is another good indicator. And as I say, if we close over here, somewhere like that today, that's going to be very positive in our mind and swoop this market up. Target zone is $30 on this stock. So let's see how that plays out. This is the Dow. You can see quite clearly we had a big move up on last Friday. That was a daily trade triangle that kicked in. Not such an important thing with the indexes, but it did show momentum was on the upside. We've had 2 quiet days. Now, theoretically, we should see this market begin to pick up again. Usually you have a big move up or down, and then you have a couple of quiet days, just resting periods as the market gets used to a new level, then it starts to kick up again. So the question is whether gold and the index markets can all go up together. That's a question we can't answer. We talked about that in our blog today. So just go with the flow. Let's see. The trend is up. All of our trade triangles are positive, and that's what you should be looking at right now. Pretty much the same picture in the S&P 500. You can see all of our trade triangles are green, positive. Strong day up on Friday. 2 quiet days. Chances are it's going to continue up, in our opinion. The trend is your friend, and it is clearly on the upside at the moment. Last market we're looking at is the Nasdaq Composite. You can see that actually did do well on yesterday. And again, this is the trend. It's positive. All of our trade triangles are green, so you should be looking at this market from the long side. It is a little bit overbought, but it's not to say it can't go higher. So key levels to watch out today, obviously the gold we talked about, and also crude oil, but the trends are your friend. And stay with the trade triangles. They work, and they will make you money. I'm Adam Hewison from Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching this video, and have a wonderful trading day, my friends.